Alright, now Samsung recently updated its latest flagship phone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, with the June security patch. This update brings in a lot of stability and animation improvements on the S23 Ultra, and along with that, it brings in a very important feature which most of us would love to have on your Galaxy phones. In this video, we are going to take a look at that brand new feature, and we will also see whether this feature is available on the iPhones as well as the Pixel phones. Let's go ahead. The feature I'm talking about is the all-new portrait mode that we have got on the S23 Ultra now. Let me open camera application and go to portrait. Now, as you can see here, we have got three different options now. We've got 1x, 2x as well as 3x portrait modes available on the S23 Ultra now. Earlier we just had 1x and 3x, which was kind of fine, but whenever we wanted to switch between 1x and 3x, we literally had to move front and backwards to set the distance right. 3x was too closer of a portrait and 1x was a little too far to take a portrait image. And now we have got something in between. It's pretty easy to switch between these options to get the right shot. Now, I'm not very sure whether the S23 regular as well as S23 Plus have got this update with this new option or not. If you guys own any of these devices, do let me know in the comment section. Alright, now you might be wondering whether this 2x portrait is going to use any of your lenses or whether the image will be digitally cropped. Now, the portrait mode is not based on the typical optical zoom that we have. We just have 3x and 10x zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and still we have this 2x portrait mode available. So the portrait mode is based on depth mapping using both telephoto lens and a wide angle lens that we have on the phone. And this is purely based on computational photography that artificially applies the blur effect to the background. So this is obviously not like DSLR sensors. These portrait images are digitally enhanced using the computational photography, so it is not difficult for Samsung or any other manufacturers to fit in 1x, 2x or 3x zoom capabilities when it comes to portrait mode images. If I'm not wrong, when Samsung is able to offer this 2x on the S23 Ultra, they should be able to offer it on its predecessors like S22 Ultra or any other phones which has got both telephoto and wide angle lens. That's my understanding. You let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Now, if we look at the predecessor, the Galaxy S22 series, I've got the S22 Ultra here. Even after the June security patch, we did not get this option on this phone. It looks like Samsung is reserving this feature only for the latest Galaxy devices. Now let's take a look at Pixel phones, whether we have got this feature or not. Let's open the camera on this Pixel 7 Pro. I will go to portrait mode. As you can see here, we have got 1x and 2x options only. Actually, this is a little better than having a 1x and 3x portrait mode. And now that we have got 2x as well on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it makes the portrait photography much more versatile now. Just want to show you guys how it works on the Pixel phones. It's 1x or 2x. And there is no 3x option available here. Now coming to the iPhones, let's open the camera here. I'll tap on portrait. Now here, by default, we have got 1x. I'll tap on this icon. As you can see, we have 1x, 2x and 3x. So we already have these three options on the iPhone 14 Pro Max running on iOS 17 beta. And now we have this on the Galaxy S23 Ultra as well, which is just fantastic. You guys let me know, what do you think about this? Do you think this is useful? Are you going to capture the images in 2x portrait or not? Let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't got the June update yet, wait for it. You're going to get it probably in a day or two. As soon as you get it, you can go ahead and check the camera application and see whether you have got this 2x option on the portrait mode or not. If you have got it, do let us know in the comment section, which will benefit the community. Now, apart from this, the stability on the S23 Ultra is pretty good after this update. It is running buttery smooth, and it looks like the battery performance also has improved a lot. Already this phone offers the best of the battery life, and with this update, it looks like it is much more optimized to offer better battery performance. I'm getting at least about 5 to 8% of increased usage when I charge the phone to 100%. This is really cool, and kudos to Samsung for bringing this update to us with this 2x option in the camera department, as well as the stability on the device and improved battery performance. This is what most of us expect with this kind of update. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this useful. That's about it. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.